Hmm.
Variant identified.
Welcome to Gear Glance, where I check out tech and other everyday gear. So these keycaps, they're budget keycaps, YMDK Carbon. You can get them on Amazon. They're made of PBT material. Thickness is 1.5 millimeters. These keycaps are top print, laser engraved, which matches the keyboard in the library scene from Loki episode 2. You can give your mechanical keyboard a little retro vibe. Loki style. You can also get a variant of these keycaps with blank tops. There's a link in the description. Thank you for watching.